What's up, guys? How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cess Paulo, and if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to this amazing channel. Turn on the notification bell, like, share and comment. So it's still the Happy New Year season, and by the way, how long is the Happy New Year supposed to end? When am I supposed to stop telling you guys Happy New Year? Is it February or the second week or the third week? I don't know, but as long as we're in January, I think I'll keep on wishing you a Happy New Year. So these other projects for New Year, we are going to declutter my TV stand. As you can see, this TV stand, I painted it myself a few years ago, like 2 years ago, and it used to be brown. I painted it white, and as you can see, I did not paint the insides of the TV stand. And I noticed that these places are full of clutter. I have so many places with clutter. My TV stand drawers have literally become a place to put my clutter. On my shoe rack, I have a drawer that has clutter. I also have a poof that is full of clutter, and I'm like, I don't need 5 places to put clutter. I just need one place, and I feel a TV stand should be a place for decoration, for nice things to be displayed, not a place for clutter. And I'm like, these things are not helping me. So many things, some of them are good, like these yarns that I'm removing here. I just put them here, yet I have another place for yarns, so it does not make sense to me. I just want all my yarns and the unfinished products, I'll put them in one place, so that this drawer, it literally has no business right now. These other place, I have some decor pieces, some expired medicine, some hand sanitizers, these excess bulbs that I can even put as security bulbs instead of just putting them here and risking them being broken. Your medicine is expired. You see, like, I just have random things that I really don't need even them to be in the living room. They should be maybe in the bedroom. You see, I even have books here. I have a place for books, but I have books in this drawer. I have an empty perfume bottle. Like, I don't know why. See this thing, a tape measure. It should be where I have put my DIY projects, not here. So I just realized that this place has things I do not need. Look at this other drawer that I'm showing you right now. That's my glue gun, the one that I'm currently using, so I need it. This the other glue gun that's spoiled. No matter what I do, it's not going to be made, so I don't need it. I need to dispose it off, but it's here. These straws also, I don't think they need to be here. They should be at the DIY places. This blow dryer is not working anymore. Like, I think it can burn my house. If you put it on the socket, it makes a very loud noise that's scary, so I cannot use it anymore. And you see, I have so many USB cables that I do not use. And then this iron box too, it's very beautiful. I used to love it, but it's not working, so I need to dispose it, because I don't know, maybe the repair would cost so much money other than buying a new one. So you can see how many things I have on my TV stand drawers that I don't need. These other, okay, you've seen all the things that were there. Now that you have seen, literally, I do not need these things here. They can stay somewhere else, and I have to get rid of the ones that I do not need, because why would I stay with clutter and it does not help me? So I decided to remove the drawers out of the TV stand, as you can see. And the insides of the TV stands, I did not paint them completely. As you can see, uko ndani kabisa, it's still brown, because I just painted the part where you can easily see. And now I think actually I love how the TV stand looks when it's open like this. I love how open it is. I feel like it gives me more place for me to do, like, to display my decor pieces. So I feel it's going to remain as open as it is right now, but I'm going to paint it completely white. The insides, I'm going to paint them white so that the reflection can be white. Right now you're seeing a black reflection because it's brown inside. So I want it to be white, so that it can be all seamless, it can blend in, it doesn't look so busy. And then for the books, I don't know if I'll find another place for them, but I just know I want decor pieces on my TV stand and not another storage area there. So I'm just going to separate these wires that I have here. The ones that I'm using, I'm going to store them somewhere like I'm going to store them where I can get them, because these are things I don't use oftenly. So I can just put them in the bedroom. I have an extra space, and then the ones that I'm not using, I'm just going to dispose them off. So if you guys are enjoying this decluttering series, tell me in the comments section. Also tell me other videos you'd love me to make, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Tell them to subscribe, comment, and that is basically how I have decluttered my TV stand. As you can see right now, it's very open, it's airy. I feel like it's more inviting, it's not busy. And also removing the drawers has made it look more modern. I feel like my drawers, they were beautiful, I still love them, but they made my TV stand to look a bit dated. Right now I feel it looks more modern, and there are some things, some DIYs I want to do on this TV stand. You are not like, you have no idea what I want to do on this place. And as you can see, the arrangement of this area is a bit different from what you're used to, which means you should check out tomorrow's video, because tomorrow's video you're going to understand why you can see this curtain being blown here. The house, it looks a bit different. So watch tomorrow's video to find out why this place looks like that. But anyway, that is all we had for today's video for the TV stand decluttering. That was it. We will see you next time when I'm showing you the decoration and the transformation. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram too, at Cess Designs, at Cess Paulo, and at Dream Luxe Decor, where I post more things that I can even post here. And I'll see you in the next video. I love y'all. Bye bye. Mwah. Do you prefer the open TV stand or how it was before with the drawers? Let me know.